Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you the easy steps to customize your app names like a pro.
To change an app's name, we'll use the built-in Shortcuts app on our iPhone or iPad, which allows us to customize various app behaviors, including renaming them, giving us more control over our home screen organization and personalized experience. Here, we'll see Open App written. Clicking on this option enables us to select any app we want to rename, giving us the freedom to choose which one to modify next. By clicking Open App, we can browse through our installed apps and pick the specific one we're looking to modify, giving us access to its settings and customization options. If we want to rename the calculator, for example, we'll open the Calculator app to start the renaming process, which allows us to access its settings and make the desired changes easily. Next, we click on Share to access additional options, and then select Add to Home Screen to create a custom shortcut for easy access to the app. Tapping on Open App here allows us to access the app's details, which is where we can change the app's name as it appears on the home screen, giving us the desired label. After renaming, if we take a look at our home screen, we'll see the app now nicely renamed to My App, and when we open it, it still functions exactly as the original calculator, but with our chosen name displayed, giving it a personalized touch, which is pretty convenient. Learned how to rename your apps? Check the description for a deal, like and subscribe.